Planning a special occasion or event can be exciting, but it's essential to stay within your budget to avoid financial stress. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a realistic budget. 1. Determine your budget. Set a clear goal. Define the overall purpose of the event. This will help you prioritize expenses, assess your finances, determine how much you can afford to spend. Consider your income, savings, and any other financial commitments. 2. Make a guest list. Estimate attendance. The number of guests will significantly impact your costs. Categorize guests. Consider if you'll need to provide meals, accommodations, or transportation for any guests. 3. Create a detailed expense list. Break down costs. List all potential expenses, including venue rental, catering, decorations, entertainment like a DJ or band, invitations and stationery, transportation if necessary, accommodation if necessary, and miscellaneous such as taxes and tips. Research prices, gather quotes from vendors to get a realistic idea of costs. Alright, now let's talk about prioritizing your expenses. First up, determine what's important. Decide which aspects of the event are most crucial to you. Once you've got that sorted, allocate funds. Make sure to allocate a larger portion of your budget to the most important elements. This way, you'll ensure that the key parts of your event shine the brightest. Include a contingency fund. Set aside a percentage of your budget to cover unforeseen expenses. You never know when unexpected costs might arise, and having a little cushion can really save the day. Track your spending. Keep a detailed record of all purchases related to the event. This helps you monitor expenses and stay within budget. Regularly review your spending to ensure you're on track. It's a good habit to get into, trust me. Be flexible. If you're overspending, consider making adjustments to stay within your budget. It's important to prioritize and evaluate if there are areas where you can cut back without compromising the overall event. Flexibility is key to effective budgeting. By following these steps, you can create a well-planned budget that ensures your special occasion or event is both memorable and financially responsible. With a bit of planning and diligence, you'll be all set for success.